Here we are again, looking at the Fjords at Yacht Sales International. I told you the other day we have this beautiful orange one, and we have that chocolate brown one, and they had a baby. We have a 41 XL in blue that came from our Annapolis office. The guys up there were supposed to sell it, but I don't know, they're selling everything else but this. So we brought it down here for the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. It's a great little boat. Extended swim platform. Let's hop on board real quick. Has this teak. Plenty of seating, a lot of it's reversible. These two back here, those two are reversible. High-low tables. Plenty of seating back here. We have a sink, cutting board, and then a little cook station over on this side. Joystick control, dual Simrad station, some stuff like that. Quick gyro controls. Volvo Penta controls. Inside are all the cushions for up here. There's a nice little sun pad. Plenty of space on the walk-arounds. Full windshield. Take a look inside, and like I said, you're going to see the cushions inside. I don't have any lights on in here, but you'll be able to see it. All the way forward, you have a private master with double sliding doors. These are the cushions for the bow. Wood flooring, hanging lockers on both sides. Natural lighting. Over here on the port side, you have two sliding refrigerators. Starboard side, you have the head with a shower. And then back below the cockpit, a stateroom that has a settee on this side, on the starboard side, then a full berth to port, and there's a space you can stand up in here. I'm standing up, and I'm over 6 foot tall. So you come in slouching, but you can stand up in here. So, like I said, the 41-foot XL model Fjord. It's brand new. Extended swim platform, built-in ladder. Plenty of seating. Great little day boat. Super fast. German made, German handling. Largest T-top in its class throughout the industry. Extendable sunshade aft. Round one's the one I'm gonna do next. One World Yachts, I'm out.